Question 1. Given p is equal to this, x minus the square root of y divided by z, and we get x is y and z are given, calculate the value of p. So we're going to put this into our calculators. It's pretty straightforward, just must be careful of one or two things. So we've got x is 1.775 minus the square root, so second function there, and we're going to get 1.44. and now I need to go out of here. I need to go out of the square root, so I need to push there, and then I do the divide by 48, and I get an answer of 1.75. Then it says Barry first writes x, y, and z correct to one significant figure and then uses these values to estimate the value for p. Write down x, y, and z correct to one significant figure. So one significant figure for x is going to be, you're looking at, this will be your one significant figure. So this 7 is the next one, and that's greater than 5 or greater, so it's going to actually be 2, so x will be 2, y this 1, but then we've got the 4, so it's actually just going to be y will equal 1, and then the z is going to be, this is your one significant figure, and here your second one is 8, but you need 2 digits, but it needs one significant figure, so your z is going to be 50. That will be one significant figure. Write down Barry's estimate for the value of p, so we must put these values into our formula. So we're going to get p is equal to 2 minus the square root of 1 divided by 50. So we get that, we're going to get 2 minus the square root of 1. We don't really need to put that in because the square root of 1 is 1, but we can put it in like that, divided by 50, and we get 1.98, and then it says calculate the percentage error in Barry's estimate of the value p. So the percentage error that you're going to have is going to, you do the absolute value of it, so you don't have a negative sign, and you do the actual value, which is 1.75 minus 1.98 divided by 1.75, and then you times it by 100. So you put that into our calculators. 1.75 minus 1.98. Now I should really have put brackets in that, but let me just push enter, and I'm going to divide that by 1.75, enter, and I'm going to times that by 100. I'll get enter, and I get minus there, but remember, you don't worry about the minus, it's all positive, so you use these absolute value signs here. So it's going to be 13.1% error that you're going to have.